Guys, sobrang stable daw ng leadership niya sa Senado ngayon. Wow ha! After ng ang daming, 'di ba, mga 5 majority ba 'yun? Yung gustong kumalas sa majority, eh, stable pa rin daw. Oh, ewan ko lang sa'yo, Tito Soto, kung sino pang naniniwala sa'yo. Oh, eto panoorin natin.
Sir, meron po kasi mga nagko-comment na kaya raw po aalis si Senator Ping is para hindi na ma-unstabilize yung pong, ma-destabilize yung pong Senate leadership na meron daw pong namumungko, parang siya na lang daw yung sacrifice dahil maraming hindi masaya daw dun sa pagpapatakbo niya ng Blue Ribbon.
You know, everybody's entitled to his own opinion. So whatever they say, it's up to them. It's, if that's their opinion. But as far as I'm concerned, and my opinion is the Senate is stable, both majority and minority. I am very sure that the Senate is stable, and we will make sure under my leadership, we will make sure that everything will be transparent, everything will be accountable.
So what do you do merong attempt to unseat you and install a new leadership?
Hindi ko alam kung saan nanggagaling eh. Alam mo naman dito sa Senado, pagka nanggagaling sa social media yung kwento, hindi ka, well, madaling kumalat dahil social media, pero I don't see it coming from anywhere. In fact, the other day, nagkausap kami ni Senator Alan at nababanggit na rin yan eh. Sabi niya nga, siya mismo nagsabi sa akin, wala naman akong kinakausap kahit sino eh, sabi rin niya.
And you believe him, sir? And you believe him, sir? And you believe him, sir?
Yeah, I believe him.
Sir, yung pong napag-usapan ninyo sa majority regarding do sa leadership po, nag-loyalty check ba?
Hindi sila makarecover eh, na sinabing ni Cayetano na wala daw siyang niluluto. Anong akala nyo kay Cayetano, sinungaling?
Kayo or sila mismo, kinausap kayo after hearing the story na nasa sa inyo pa rin yung suporta po nila?
Oh, nagkakausap-usap naman kami. Pagka mayroong mga lumilitaw na ganyan, I get messages from some of them saying na, ano ba yan, we should listen to that, mga ganun-ganun. Yeah, no need for a loyalty check.
How confident are you, SP, that the majority still... How confident are you, SP, that the majority bloc still supports your Senate presidency?
I'm quite confident. But as usual, you know, any senator who is elected into the leadership only serve at the pleasure of your colleagues, of your peers. So we always leave it at that. But as far as I'm concerned, and as far as I know now, I'm quite confident that we are stable and the leadership of the Senate is well in place.
May interviews kay Senator JV na parang may balak, may lumabas sa mga reports na may balak siyang kumala sa majority. May ganun ho bang nabigay na sabi po sa inyo?
Paulit-ulit si JV, sinasabi niya na nung araw pa yan, rehash daw yan eh. And he was interviewed and quoted that, I think about more than 2 weeks ago.
1 week ago.
The issue of the interview of Senator Lacson mentioned about certain insertions of some senators or almost all like that. Parang ganun yung grabe. That was the reaction of Senator JV the following day. But after that, when I explained what insertions and amendments are and how it is really placed in the budget, at yun yung mga nabanggit na yun ay karamihan naman yung amendments, it all settled down eh. So the issue that is being placed in social media and some mainstream media reports about Senator JB, I am very sure that he will deny it now. You know, he did say that before. But
kasi nagbitiw na si Lacson sa Blue Ribbon. Nang dahil yan kay Lacson eh.
In fact, I was on the phone with him yesterday telling him about plano ni Senator Lacson. And he was quite worried. Sabi niya, mahirap pa pag-usapan natin, parang gano'n. And then he also, he told me na baka iniisip ni Senator Lacson yung mga nilalabas sa media tungkol sa sinabi ko, baka that influences him. Sabi ni Senator JV, that's an old rehash, sabi niya. Wala akong sinasabing ganun. And I think he talked to Senator JV called Ping to tell him that.
As far as you know, SP, walang kahit sinong miyembro ng mayorya ang kakalas at this time po.
Yes.
Tingnan natin. So, kayo guys, do you agree? Do you agree na stable yung leadership niya sa Senate? Parang siya na lang yata yung nag-iisip niyan eh. Mag-comment, mag-like, at mag-subscribe na rin sa aking channel. Have a great day. God bless. Bye!